With New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a series of streets here in Brooklyn, and back there is the Squid Park playground, and further back is the famous Brooklyn Heights promenade. But now we're going to be doing the street, guys. So a series of streets from here. Now before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. Let me show you where I am, guys. Again, guys, we're here back in Brooklyn, and we're going to be doing the streets here. This is Middagh and Columbia Heights. So now you see back there's nothing. It's all just empty space back there. But this street, when I was doing the Squid Park and the promenade, there's no street back here. See, Middagh here, but it starts back there as a pedestrian path. So we're gonna begin the journey in a few, guys. But again, we're in Brooklyn again, guys, and we begin the journey of Middagh Street now. So as you can see here, guys, this is a pedestrian path, but up ahead it's gonna turn into a street, and right below us, guys, is where the two highways go, one north, one south. Just so that I see, like I told before, not all streets are the same. And you see the other side and the other side. That's the other side of the street. See, and now we just came from there, but you can see the wall back there, it amplifies, and below down there is the highway going north and south that run underneath the promenade, Brooklyn Heights promenade. And now, guys, these are short streets, but you know, I wanted to do this because I like them. I like the way, you know, after I did the promenade, it was really cool. So let me do the streets now. So coming up at Middagh Street, and this is Middagh and Willow Street. Wait, Willow Street. Heading east. Now we're heading east, guys. Now let me see here. This is mostly suburban. Check it out. See the Roman columns? Nice, man. As you can see, guys, from the camera, from the view, these are mostly suburban. Nothing fancy, you know, just suburban houses. But this is cool, man. So out of all the streets that I'm gonna do, only a fraction of these streets I gotta finish by the avenue. I don't remember the name, but I'll tell you about that down there. There's an avenue back there. It starts with a C. Coming up at Middagh Street, Hicks Street, also known as Philip the Damo Place, heading eastbound. That's a happy sandwich and drink. Oh, guys, check it out. The Roman white columns up there, man. That's neat, man. That is really neat. Again, guys, you know, I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm getting old, but this street is gonna finish at an avenue back there. Starts with a C, Cal something. But again, out of the 9 streets that I'm gonna do today, only 3, I think 3 of them don't reach the avenue back there. Check it out, guys. See, more Roman columns. Nice. The one thing I can tell you about this place, guys, it's really peaceful, man. Check it out, guys. That leads somewhere. Oh, this is for the parish. Oh, okay. Check it out. This is a parish, guys. Let me see. It's Auditory of Parish Offices. This is the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, guys. So that's a metal church. Okay, like I was saying, guys, it's really peaceful in here, guys. Really nice, really peaceful. Kind of serene and tranquil, you know? And check it out, it says peaks up there. So that means that somebody's peeking up there. Peaks Mason Mint. Oh, check it out, guys. Oh, mosquito. Now, oh, by the way, mother flag. And check this out, guys. This is Engine 205 HNL 118. These are the true heroes of every day, guys. These are the true Supermans and the Batmans of real life. And we keep going. Now, again, this ends at that avenue back there. Starts with a C. I don't remember what it's called, but we're gonna find out in a few minutes. Coming up at Middagh Street, Henry Street, also known as Philip D'Adamo Place. Heading east. Like I said, guys, this is really cool, man. Oh, and check it out. That's the Pizza building. And we keep going. Check out this high riser by its lonely self. And that is the only block out there, guys. Now, we're gonna keep moving. See, that is the avenue. The next 3 streets that I'm gonna do, guys, they don't end up here. So not all of them are gonna end up here. Only out of the 9, only 3 won't go. Okay, so out of 9, 3 won't go in, but the other 5 will go in. See, Catman Plaza West. So coming up at Middagh Street, Catman Plaza West. And as you can see, the rest is just going to the highways. And since we're not going that way, we're going back again, westbound. Just so you can see, this is Catman Plaza West. And you see it says Middagh. It would be that street, but that's only for the cars, guys. I'm not gonna go up there. And we head back westbound. Again, most of these streets are anywhere from 4 to 5 to 6 blocks long. But again, they're part of the New York landscape. In this case, Brooklyn landscape. Coming up at Middagh Street, Henry Street, heading westbound. And today, guys, it's about to be 97 degrees. Well, actually, 95, 97 plus the humidity, which is gonna go a little bit more than that. Let's go through here. Again, guys, this is really serene, tranquil, and really chill, man. Again, heroes of every day. Check that out, guys. That enclosure, that's cool, man. I like that. It looks like a fire escape, but it's enclosed. And it says here, old PS 8, 1846. See, that's old, man. That's 1846, man. Check it out, guys. The little heart up there, nice. Again, and like I said, see the Roman columns. 1, 2, 3. And this is, oh, that's the oratory, guys. That's for the metal church back there. That's for the Assumption of the Holy Blessed Mary. Plans. Okay, so check out the stairwell, guys. Nice. That's pretty cool, man. Oh, and there's a playground back there. If they were to seal this whole thing off, guys, and make it into a pool, that would be sweet, man. But it's not gonna happen. Moving on. I'm looking around, guys, but like I said, mostly suburban, you know, like regular houses, stuff like that. But don't get me wrong, there may be some buildings here, just like the one back there from 1846, man. That is 1846. That's more than 150 years. Coming up at Middagh Street, Hick Street, heading westbound. We got the lights. Again, guys, this is really cool, man. This is really cool. Thank you, sir, thank you. And that is the Van Sickle. Van Sickle. Have a good day, sir. So yeah, again, I don't know nothing about this place, guys. This is my first time here. Oh, check it out. You got the Roman column, see? Nice. Let's see what else we find around here. This is Brooklyn. Coming up at Middagh Street and Willow Street, heading westbound. See, on that street down there, guys, this street, which is Willow Street, heads down to the regular street, and then maybe another turnback like this, so I can go into the thing. I don't know. Again, I've never been here before. I will keep going, guys. Let me show you guys before we go back and finish the video. Check it out. This is, it says the Cadman Plaza, but this is the guys going up north. Now the other deck is that underneath it that goes south, and then it's gonna go underneath us back there to the promenade. Middagh, Willow Street. Check out this tree, guys. When I go through that tunnel, right there. Nice, nice, nice. I'm beginning to love Brooklyn, man. I like stuff like this. This is nice. And you see, check it out. Now this side of the road is the street is going to disappear. I'm gonna go and just land into one single lane, guys. Let me see if I can give you see? There you go, guys. And again, the other deck is below us, right here, but going south. Check out the pretty plants, guys. Nice. And it says here, dead end. And that is the stretch of Middagh. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah. We'll keep going. Sorry, guys, she went off again. So, like I said, this is Middagh here in Brooklyn. And this is only street number 1 out of 9. We still gotta go something called the pineapple, the orange, and a cranberry. So they decided to name it after fruits or Fruit Loops. And guys, we're gonna finish the video here. Let's see. And guys, thanks for riding with me on this one, and I will see you all again sometime. Bye.